Hi everyone, in this video we are going to find areas and perimeters of geometric shapes on rectangular coordinate plane. Our first problem, this is a problem from Khan Academy. What is the area of rectangle TOUR? To find the area of a rectangle, any rectangle, guys, we all know that. Let's say this is my rectangle here. If you know the length, and width of this rectangle, you can easily calculate the area. Area is length times width. But we have a challenge here because this rectangle is tilted. It's not easy to count the units of the on the segments. So I think if you can tell me the distance between point T and point O, or it doesn't matter, like, or between point R and U, because opposite sides are congruent, and this is going to be the length of this beautiful rectangle, and you can use TO and RU interchangeably. In other words, this is going to be your length, or OU and TR is going to be your width. So in other words, area is TO times OU, length times width. All right. First warning, since we are going to use distance formula a lot, there are other ways to solve this problem too, but we are practicing this as formula today. We just need to be extremely careful. So let's start from TO. Let's find TO together. To find the TO, let's find the coordinates of point T. Point T is a beautiful point on the x-axis. X coordinate is -8 and y coordinate is 0. On the other hand, point O is right here. X coordinate is 4 and y coordinate of point O is 4. All right, so TO is from distance formula equals big square root. Right here, I really want you to label the x1, y1, x2, and y2 right here, because there is a tendency to make mistake here, guys. We should be extremely careful. So first, x2 minus x1 squared. x2 is 4 minus x1, which is -8 squared, plus y2, which is 4 minus y1 squared. So TO is square root. And observe right here, when you see negative, what do? We just make it positive, right? We just add them. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 squared is 144. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 squared is 16. Therefore, TO is radical 160. And you can say this is something easy to think, like, because 16 is actually a perfect square. 16 times 10. You can simplify this radical as 4 radical 10. So this is more handsome. TO is 4 radical 10. This is an important data that we are going to use to find the area. TO is, we just are done for half of the problem, I can say. Now let's work on OU. So point O and then point U. Let's see what they are. Point O is right here. The coordinate of point O was 4, 4. We just worked on it. And point U is right here. The x coordinate is 6. Y coordinate is -2. Therefore, the distance between O and U is OU square root. Let's label these points. So x1 is 4, y1 is 4, x2 is 6, and y2 is -2. We are going to use distance formula again. x2 minus x1 squared, 6 minus 4 squared, plus y2 minus y1 squared. Right. So OU is big square root again. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Negative 2, negative 4 is negative 6. Negative 6 squared is 36, I guess, right? Negative 6 times negative 6, 36. So OU is 4 plus 36 is 40, radical 40. All right. Now, final step. You know what TO is. You know what OU is. I think we can finish the problem. So the area is TO, which is your length, times OU, which is your width. TO was 4 radical 10 times OU. I did not simplify that. Let's simplify right here. Radical 40 here. Radical 40 is 4 times 10. Let's play with this beautiful radicals. 4 radical 10 times. This is 4 times 10. 4 is out as 2 times radical 10. And remember, 4 times 2 is 8. Radical 10 times radical 10 is 10. So my area is 80 units squared. We just found the area of this beautiful shape. So what did we do? We just used a distance formula to calculate the distance between T and O, sorry, and it was 4 radical 10. And then we applied distance formula again to find distance between O and U. And then in final step, we multiplied TO and OU, and our answer is 80. Thank you.